guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the Samsung Galaxy S23 on the 4 most popular web browsers from the Play Store. So we start from the Firefox. In the Firefox it's a simple way, just tap on this arrow mask. But if you have any tab opened before, click on the tab icon, switch to the private in the arrow mask and add a tab. And that's it for the Firefox. Now Microsoft Edge, like before, tap on the taskbar icon, switch to the in private and add a tab. The next one is Opera. This is the same way, tap on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome, tap on this 3-dot icon or sometimes arrow icon and choose new Incognito tab. That's it. Now your history, cookies files and other things like that will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.